You're welcome to solve this nice exponential problem, which is 9 to power t. This is equal to 90. So what is the value of t? Now, solution from here. Solution. We have 9 to power t. This is equal to 90. And now to solve for the value of t, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides. So we will have log 9 to power t. This is equal to log 90. The next step here, log 9 to power t, this is in the form of log m to power n, which we can express as n log m. Now, applying this power rule property, then log 9 to power t, this can be expressed as t log 9, and this is equal to log 90. So from here, let's divide both sides by log 9, so that here, if we simplify log 9 and log 9, we'll have t, this is equal to log 90 divided by log 9. So the next step here, we can express 90 as 9 multiplied by 10. Let's substitute this. So we'll have t, this is equal to log 9 multiplied by 10, this divided by log 9. The next step here, log 9 times 10, this is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which we can express as log a plus log b. So applying this logarithm property, then here we'll have t is equal to log 9 divided by log 9 plus log 10 divided by log 9. The next step here is to simplify. So we can express 10 as 5 times 2, so that here we'll have t is equal to 1 plus log. Now here we have 5 times 2, this divided by log 9. Now the next step here, we can express 9 as 3 to power 2. So in this case, we have t is equal to 1 plus log. Here we have 5 times 2 divided by log. Now here we have log 3 to power 2. Now the next step here, we have that log 5 times 2. This is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which you can express as log a plus log b. Now let's apply this logarithm property, so that now we'll have t, this is equal to 1 plus, now here we have log 5 divided by log 3 squared plus log 2 divided by log 3 to power 2. The next step from here, we have t is equal to 1 plus, now this is log 5 divided by log 3 to power 2. Now applying the power rule property, log 3 to power 2 becomes 2 log 3 plus log 2 divided by log 3 to power 2, which becomes 2 log 3. The next step here, we'll have t, this is equal to 1 plus, now log 5 divided by log 3, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Now let's apply this logarithm property as well, so that now we'll have t equal to 1 plus, this is half log 5 to base 3 plus half log 2 to base 3, and this is the value of t. This is the value of t. Now let's verify that this value of t actually satisfies the equation. Now let's verify that the value of t, which is 1 plus a half log 5 to base 3 plus a half log 2 to base 3, actually satisfies the equation. Now if you recall, we end that 9 to power t, this is actually equal to 90. Now substituting the value of t here, we'll have 9 to power 1 plus half log 5 to base 3 plus half log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 90. The next step here, let's express 9 as 3 to power 2. So the next step, we can express 9 as 3 to power 2. So let's substitute this. This is 3 to power 2 multiplied by 1 plus half log 5 to base 3 plus log, that is half log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 90. Now the next step here, let's open the bracket here. So 3 to power 2 times 1, this is 2, plus 2 and 2 here simplify, so plus log 5 to base 3, plus, now we have 2 and 2 here simplifies, so plus log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 90. The next step from here, we have that 3 to power 2 plus log 5 to base 3 plus log 2 to base 3. This is in the form of a to power n plus m, and this we can express as 8 to power n multiplied by 8 to power m. So applying this this exponent property, then we'll have 3 to power 2 times 3 to power log 5 to base 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 90. So let's proceed from here. So 3 to power 2, this is equal to 9. So we have 9 multiplied by 3 to power log 5 to base 3. This is in the form of m to power log a to base m, which is supposed to essentially give us a value of a. So 3 to power log 5 to base 3, this is equal to 5, and 3 to power log 2 to base 3, this is essentially equal to 2. So substituting this, we'll have 9 times 5 times 2 here, which is 3 raised to power of 2 to base 3, which is 2 times 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 90. So here you have 9 times 5, which is 45. And 45 times 2, this is actually equal to 90. And that implies that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And that implies that the value of t, which is 1 plus a half log 5 to base 3 plus a half log 2 to base 3, actually satisfies the equation. Now kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe.